Hey y'all, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. And if this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, my name is Janiece and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a new, recent, or return subscriber, hey, how you doing? Thank you for clicking on this video today and let's get right into it. So today, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a bag unboxing. I recently bought a bag from Fashionphile, which this is my first time doing that. I want to show you the bag. I want to kind of discuss my experience and let's get into it. If this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned.
When I wake up, before I put on my makeup, say a little bit for you, say a little bit for you.
Okay, y'all, so like I was saying in the intro of the video, I recently ordered a bag from Fashionphile. This is my first time doing so, and I would like to discuss the bag and the experience that I had with Fashionphile. So let's first do the unboxing. Now, I had to do the unboxing in a different clip, and the reason why is because I wanted to open up the bag. I don't know when I'm going to film these videos, so I have to open it up because I think I have 14 days to return it before I can get a refund. So you should be looking at that clip now. This is the unboxing. I would say that the shipping was very good. It came within a couple of days and we were having like snowstorms. So it even came in a great time, even with the snowstorms. It came from the flagship office in New York. So I thought that that was really good to come all the way to Illinois from New York in that short amount of time. I think I got it within 2 to 3 days. The shipping was very good. The packaging was okay. They had, as you can see here, they had this white like tissue over it. And they had it in a Fashionphile dust bag, and inside you can see the bag here. So this is how the bag looks. You should be looking at it now. I don't know if we're on that part now, but I'm gonna put it right here. So you should be looking at the bag now. Now I feel like so far my experience was great. I didn't have a problem with shipping. I didn't have a problem with paying for it. I didn't have a problem with it coming. I did have to sign for it. They do make you sign for it through UPS. Of course, it's a expensive bag. And my other bags that I have ordered before I had to sign for them. And so you should be seeing the bag now. Like I said, the boxing was okay. I like the way in the inside it does say Fashionphile, and then they give you this cute little file that's really, really cute. I love that. I thought that was so cute, and you can see what the file says right there. So let's get the bag out and get into the details of this bag. So of course, as you can see from the opening, this is the bag that I bought. Okay, so as you can see, this is the bag. You saw it in the unboxing. I'm very happy about this bag. This is the Alma PM Castilian in the color red, and I am very excited about getting this bag. Okay, so let's talk about it. So it does come with a tag on it, which I haven't pulled off yet because I wanted to show you guys this. So this is the tag that comes on it, and they say if you take this tag off, then you basically keeping it, which I'm gonna take it off anyway. This is the authenticity tag that also comes in it. Now this bag was listed because I wanted to know about Fashionphile for a while. Like I said, I've been wanting to buy a bag off there. I just was taking my time because they always say you can't trust, some is fake, some is real, but they did say Fashionphile mostly has real items. So I was happy to hear that. So when I went to go buy the bag, this is how the whole thing came up. I was thinking like, I want a speedy bag. For some reason, I just like the way they hold that speedy bag in their hands. And I think Rakita, she has so many pretty speedies. And I'm like, I really like that bag. I'm gonna try it. And let's go down, let's really talk about this because I want to say some things. 1 second. Okay, so I had to go get this box because I wanted to talk about this. So this is, I had a milestone birthday, right? So I bought this purse from Louis Vuitton. I can't hold everything, but this is like all the certificates, everything that came with it. It's the real bag with the real box that came from Louis Vuitton. And y'all seen this bag 1,000 times before because I didn't show y'all. It's this bag, right? So it's this bag. So this is the pochette, right? I think they call it. And it's the real leather one, the empreinte leather, I think they call it. But I've had this bag for a while. when I bought this bag, because I always thought like, oh, I want to start getting into buying me some designer bags. I want to, wear some designer bags. I like them. I like the way they look. I just love it, like all girls do. I mean, we're girls, so most girls, I don't want to say all, but most girls do. And when I bought this for almost $3,000, I never wore it. This is a brand new bag. Like, I have not worn this bag probably one time and probably two times to show y'all in the video. And people always say, do you still got that Louis Vuitton? I'm like, yes, I still have it. I never wear it. It's a beautiful bag. I think it's beautiful. I was thinking about selling it, but I just want to keep it because it was my milestone birthday and I bought it. But I kind of felt like, I don't know if I want to say kind of foolish, because I paid so much for a bag that I didn't use and I didn't wear, if that makes sense. And then I thought to myself, well, you can always keep it. It's still yours. You wanted it, you really liked it, and you bought it. But I feel like I want to use the things that I have. Like, I want to be able to use it. So I never wore this. So it just kind of turned me off. I hope I'm making sense. It kind of turned me off from buying like luxury bags, because I'm thinking like, is it just going to be another bag that I think I want and I just put it in the top of my closet and I don't wear it anymore? So so with all that being said, I was like, I really want like a Speedy bag. Like, I just been thinking about that bag and I was like, I want it. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. But I didn't want to make the mistake of, because Speedies are, they're up there. You can get one for, I think I was pricing them $2,000, $3,000, up, depending on like if you get I think it's like the 20, the 25, the 30 and all of that stuff. So I was thinking like looking at them, and I went to Louis Vuitton website and I said, you know what? I don't want to make this same mistake again. Let me go to Fashionphile, because everybody is saying like, go to Fashionphile, buy pre-loved, it's the same, blah, blah, blah. I was thinking, am I going to waste my money again with a beat up bag that looks like trash and I didn't spend money? Because I like to get stuff new. I do. I really like to get stuff new. But they, you look at these videos and they're convincing you like, it's okay, it's okay. So I end up buying one. And this is the one. Now, I didn't get the Speedy, but when I saw this, and I love red bags now. Y'all know I've been buying a lot of red bags. Every last bag, I bought a red Coach bag. I bought a red, like, I guess you could say a fake Birkin bag. And then I love this red bag. So I was like, I want the Louis Vuitton red bag. And then when I saw this one, I said, oh, you know what? I'll try this one. I really like the bag. And this bag was listed on their website as like, it's at the end of excellent. It's not excellent, but it's at the end of excellent. So I would say like the inside is very clean. Like, if you can see this, very, very clean. Like somebody had like a dust, like one of those inserts in there, because it was very clean. Like, you see some scratching on the hardware. I don't know if this is gonna show. There is like a little scratching on the hardware, but the bag it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. And guess how much I paid? I don't even feel like I paid a lot. I paid like a little bit over $500. And I was like, wow, for Louis Vuitton. So now I see, because the retail price, it said retail now. I don't know if this is real retail, because I didn't go and look on Louis Vuitton. But the retail price said it was like $2,200. So to get this for like $500, I was like, okay, sign me up. And I actually love it. But I want to see how much wear I'm going to get out of this bag. If I get a lot of wear out of it, I'm going to keep going to Fashionphile, because I think it's a great deal, honestly, to get the bag. And it's, the handles and everything is in very good condition. Like, everything is in very, very good condition. It's really good. I really love it. I can't wait to wear it. I can't wait to put stuff in it. I'm taking a trip and I definitely will be wearing it. I think it's super cute and I am ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. But my experience with Fashionphile so far has been good. Now, I have heard a few stories of people, trying to sell it back and not getting what it's worth or something like that. But as far as buying something, it is listed exactly what they said. They said it was like not excellent, but at the end of excellent, and I feel like it is. I'll put it here. I'll put like the bag I bought, and I'll put like what it says here, like how, you know, how they rated it. But I think I got exactly what I paid for, a great bag at a great price. I'm glad I got this color red. So my Speedy is probably gonna come next, I guess. We're gonna see, but I enjoyed it. But tell me, have you ever ordered anything from Fashionphile? What did you think about the item that you ordered? Would you order from them again? Tell me in the comment box below. Have you been thinking about ordering designer? Do you mind having a used bag, or do you like it new? Because some people want it new, and I understand. But let me know all of that in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe for good vibes, because you know we got good vibes over here. And you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.